Okay, we've trimmed our back piece up, so now we get this to fit in here how I want it. We've got this trimmed down, so it'll go in here. I need to take some of this out down here yet. So what we're going to do now is we're going to drill for, where we have our center mark, we're going to drill for our stick. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put it in my comment section. I'll get back with you. So we're going to use an 1¼ inch stick for this. So this 1¼ drill. So we're going up about between 2¼ and 2½ inch. And then we'll glue our stick in. We'll go in here. Just like that. Just going to sand this down a little bit here.
This is the cutest little kitty. Laura, what? Foltz, F-O-L-T-S. I don't care. I don't think it's that cute of a cat because it does look so sad. Yeah, I wonder what it looks like now.
So just mark that so I know how far down to put it.
Right, it's just like your morphology.
I don't like that he's sad.
No. That's just sort of the cut of his extent.
He says he's very sad and depressed.
Wasn't the name of the last Sarah McLachlan album Depressed Pussy? I don't know.
Put some glue in here.
Yeah, just make a little Prozac in the meow mix. That looks Photoshop.
I bet if we
Get some glue along our stick here.
he would not look like
I
that.
bet there are plenty of pictures where he doesn't look as sad, but his face hangs like that.
Well, he's sad because he's in a
It's just the way he looks.
Well, then why would they say he's very sad and depressed?
Because they want people to adopt the little feller, and they did. He's gonna be fine. He's lovable. He's very cute.
You make me depressed.
Something else. Yeah. Let's talk about that. I'm sorry. If you feel as a lesser person around me, there's not much I can do about it.
We'll just wipe the excess glue off.
Yeah, it's not his fault. I'm a better man.
And then we'll set this up to dry. And then we'll move on to our next step with this. Thanks for watching.